Today is a really exciting day. Our Impossible Science Teacher Professional Development is here in town, and through the community partnerships of ADM and Heart of Illinois Community Foundation, along with the Regional Office of Education, we are able to provide 2 days of teacher professional development all around the concept of science.
Today is all about having fun. A lot of teachers are very apprehensive when it comes to bringing STEM topics into the classroom. In Impossible Science, what we do is we come in and show how they can incorporate magic into the classroom as a way of engaging the students.
Not only am I going to be able to bring these principles into the science experiments that I do in the science lessons, but they're also very applicable for math and reading lessons as well, because it's been about engagement for the most part and the importance of engaging your students and getting them hooked into the lesson even before we get started.
In this day and age, when information is readily available at the fingertips, we don't have to give them more information. We just want to give them a reason to care. And by engaging them using the tools that we provide, it's a great way to rebuild that trust and relationship between teachers and students so that kids are happy to go to school and excited to come to see you. And what are we learning today? And that's the type of things that will make our education system, once again, the amazing system that it once was.
Coming to these trainings with an open mind is important because you never know what you're going to learn and experience. And sometimes it's really easy to just fall into a routine of sticking to the techniques that you know and the tools that you know as a teacher. But with trainings like these, with Impossible Science, I've learned a lot of new things this morning and have felt inspired and refreshed as an educator. And so I think it's been amazing to experience this opportunity so that I have a refreshed mind going back to my students tomorrow.
We're proud to bring this Impossible Science Teacher Professional Development to our area because the impact that this training is going to have, these teachers are going to take what they're learning today back into the classrooms. And hopefully it will make learning fun and that these students even take it back in their homes and share with their families what they're learning in science, that science is exciting. Asking questions, learning, discovering the impossible is what it's all about. So we are thrilled to be able to do that.